Hello YouTube, and today I'll be showing you how to build the back bumper of my Lego truck mock. So you can see the back bumper is missing, so let's start. The pieces you will need are two 1x2 tiles in the same colour as this brick, so 1x2 with side plates. This is a 1x2 tile with bumper base plate. This is a 2x2 tile, also the same colour as your bumper. Two 1x2 grills, same colour as your bumper. And two grey studs and two headlight transparent studs. So first of all, you're going to take your back bumper piece and put on top of them your two grey studs. So one goes here and one goes here, so that your headlights won't be buried. So put them on top of that. Right, now you're going to take your bumper base plate sticker and put it in the middle of there. Now there should be this left, and you don't want it to be left, so we're going to take our two tiles, or you could just have a 1x4, but I just took two tiles and stick them so that's covered up. And at the top, to attach it, what we're going to do is we're going to put your 2x2 one on there. This is meant to go on there, but it sticks to the car to keep it on. So I'm just going to take the car for a second. So once I've shown you how to build the actual car, what you do is you put that on, and then you take your two grills, put them on there. There is the back bumper of my Lego truck. I hope you enjoyed.